Hey friends, in this short video we are going to see how how to download the Netflix app, how to install the Netflix app, and how to sign up for the Netflix account, and how to configure the Netflix app to synchronize with the Netflix account. So we start the video. Open Chrome, navigate into netflix.ai. So until now there is only Android version launched. So they are launching for Apple by next month. So scroll down to the bottom of the page, press download for Android. There will be a menu open and click download link. So once you click download link, it, the app will start download. So once the download is done, open the app installation. Install. So the Netflix app is installed now, so we don't need this. So the Netflix Pay, open the Netflix Pay app. The first step you are going to do is create a MXBit wallet. So click get started. Got it? Makes sense. Create a matrix bit wallet. Yes. So give some meaningful or easy to remember password for protecting your MXBit wallet. So this is asking for backup. Right now we don't need backup because we need to configure more settings. We do this later, so do it later. I understand. Yes, keep checkbox, just check in and confirm and finish. So your Netflix app is ready. So before going forward, we need to create one more wallet called Bitcoin wallet, because we have to bring in the amount through BTC from other wallets, through from blockchain or some other wallet. We if we have BTC over there, we need to transfer the amount to this wallet. So I'm creating a BTC wallet right now. Bitcoin, give some name. Maybe I can put Bitcoin itself. Yes. So my wallet is created now. See, I have a Bitcoin wallet and a matrix wallet. So then we have to sign up for a new account, Netflix Pay account. So I click get started, sign up for Netflix Pay card. This is my sign up form. If you click sign up from the app, it will navigate the sign up form on your browser. So I type in my name. Sponsor name is Focus 01 Matrix 01. So I type in the password, sign up with the email, click this tab. So sign up completed. So validate your account. We have sent an email for further instructions to validate your account. So I received an email for this. Go to that email. So yes, this is my email. Yes, my email verification is completed right now. So after this, what we have to do, we don't need this page. You'll get another email with OTP, so never mind that, we don't require right now. So I have signed up for a new account right now. I need to configure synchronize with the app right now. Open Netflix Pay app. So click get started. This time you need to connect my Netflix Pay card. So I key in my username and password, login with email. So once I log in, I will see a blue color tab here. Maybe this app I need to flush. So I open it again. Get started. Connect my Netflix pay card. So login with email. See, I have asked for OTP. Click OK. Click add account. Yeah, my account is added right now. So if you just go back, you will see a blue color tab, Netflix Pay. So if you want to check whether you have created with correct information, click profile here. So you see all the information what we have placed here. So everything is right. I just go back. So we have confirmed all the information is right. So one more step we need to do, click next tracks, connect to next tracks account the same way how you connected the card. Type in your email and password here. So sign in. Once the next track service is sign in, you see the shift tab here. So this is fine right now. So this is the complete video how to sign up for Netflix account. So the next thing what you have to do is you have to transfer some Bitcoin to this Bitcoin wallet. Convert this Bitcoin to MXBit through Nextrex. If you click shift, exchange BTC to MXBit is there. So convert the BTC that you have received on your wallet to MXBit. So once MXBit is received, you need to purchase that MXBit from here. So get iRobot card, click this one. You will see from MatrixBit, click this one. If you click OK, this will come. So you need to enter at least $120. So if you have $120 on your MXBit, then you can enter the $120 and click this arrow. So right now I don't have any fund, so I'm getting this warning message. So I'll do one more video for how to load the cash on your account later. So this is the complete video for sign up part. Thank you.